The Kingbull Literider 2.0 is built for riders who appreciate calm stability, smooth handling, and a riding character that feels balanced and predictable from the moment movement begins. The Kingbull Literider 2.0 is a lightweight electric bike designed for riders who value balance, efficiency, and a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride. This extended review focuses on how the Literider 2.0 behaves across a wide range of riding conditions: steady cruising, gradual climbs, long stretches of relaxed pedaling, and moments where the motor support becomes more noticeable. Everything is presented with calm pacing and clear structure, making it easy to follow from start to finish. And near the end, the full list of pros and cons will be shared. There are more pros than cons, and the cons tend to be a little bit nitpicky, but they will provide a clear, honest picture of the Literider 2.0. The Literider 2.0 immediately communicates stability through its frame geometry. The riding position feels upright and natural, reducing pressure on the wrists and shoulders while keeping the rider comfortably engaged. The frame strikes a balance between rigidity and compliance. It feels solid under load without transmitting unnecessary vibration through the handlebars or saddle. Steering remains predictable and controlled. Small inputs result in small directional changes, while larger steering movements feel deliberate rather than twitchy. The lightweight construction plays a major role here. It allows the bike to respond quickly without feeling nervous or unstable, making it easy to manage at both low and higher speeds. Overall, the ride character feels calm, composed, and well suited for extended riding sessions. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I removed the packaging straps and opened the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully. Stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Kingbull Literider 2.0 e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork, add the front wheel, and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. Motor assistance on the Literider 2.0 is tuned for smoothness rather than aggression. Power builds gradually as assistance increases, creating a natural transition between pedaling effort and motor input. This makes the bike feel intuitive, especially for riders who prefer a more traditional cycling experience enhanced by electric support. As terrain becomes more demanding, the motor continues to provide steady assistance without pedaling surges or abrupt changes. Climbs are handled with composure. Speed naturally adjusts based on grade, but torque delivery remains consistent, helping the bike maintain forward momentum. The assist system feels predictable across levels, allowing riders to fine-tune how much support they want without feeling disconnected from the pedals. This style of power delivery supports longer rides, reduces fatigue, and encourages a relaxed, confident pace. Braking is one of the standout strengths of the Kingbull Literider 2.0. The brakes feel buttery smooth, with progressive engagement that allows precise control over stopping power. Rather than grabbing abruptly, the braking force builds evenly, making it easy to slow down gradually or come to a complete stop with confidence. This smooth braking behavior is especially valuable during descents or when adjusting speed frequently. The braking feel remains consistent regardless of riding speed, reinforcing trust in the bike and reducing rider stress. Overall, the braking system complements the Literider 2.0's stable geometry and refined ride quality perfectly. Comfort on the Literider 2.0 comes from a well-balanced combination of frame design, tire choice, and suspension tuning. The suspension, where present, is tuned to smooth out surface imperfections without feeling overly soft. Small bumps and vibrations are absorbed efficiently, helping maintain traction and reduce fatigue over longer distances. The tires contribute significantly to comfort and stability. Their width and compound provide confident grip while helping dampen road feedback. The saddle and handlebar positioning support a relaxed riding posture. Weight is distributed evenly, making it easier to stay comfortable over extended periods in the saddle. Altogether, the bike feels supportive, forgiving, and well suited for everyday riding. Range on the Literider 2.0 depends on assist level, terrain, and riding style, but efficiency remains a constant theme. At moderate assist levels, the bike conserves battery effectively, allowing riders to cover longer distances without constant concern about remaining charge. The battery and controller work together to manage power delivery intelligently, avoiding unnecessary energy spikes. When climbing, battery usage increases naturally, but output remains smooth and controlled, helping preserve overall range. Battery performance stays consistent throughout the ride, with no sudden drop-offs or unpredictable behavior. Charging times are reasonable, making the bike easy to integrate into daily routines or frequent riding schedules. The Literider 2.0 is built with durability and longevity in mind. The frame feels solid and well constructed, designed to handle repeated use without developing unwanted flex or noise. Welds and joints appear clean and intentional, reinforcing the bike's structural integrity. Electrical components are neatly integrated with thoughtful cable routing that protects key systems from wear. Contact points, grips, pedals, saddle use materials that feel durable and comfortable over time. Weather resistance adds another layer of confidence, helping protect electronics during changing conditions. Overall, the Literider 2.0 feels like a bike designed to be ridden often, not babied or stored away. The overall riding experience is defined by clarity and confidence. Controls are intuitive and easy to reach, allowing adjustments without distraction. Assist changes feel smooth, encouraging riders to fine-tune support based on energy level and terrain. The bike remains stable across its speed range, never feeling nervous or unpredictable. Handling inspires trust, making it easier to relax into the ride and focus on cadence and rhythm. This balance makes the Literider 2.0 approachable for newer e-bike riders while still satisfying those with more experience. The Kingbull Literider 2.0 is built on a lightweight aluminum frame designed to support a total payload capacity of up to 330 pounds while keeping the overall bike weight manageable for everyday riding and transport. Power comes from a 750-watt rear hub motor with peak output rated at up to 1,000 watts, providing smooth pedal assist across multiple levels of support. Energy is supplied by a 48-volt lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 15 amp hours, delivering a total of 720 watt-hours under moderate assist levels. The system supports a manufacturer-rated range of up to 55 to 60 miles, depending on terrain, rider input, and assist levels. The drivetrain uses a 7-speed Shimano gear system, allowing riders to fine-tune cadence for efficiency on flats and added mechanical advantage on climbs. Stopping power is handled by hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, providing smooth, controlled braking performance and reliable modulation. The Literider 2.0 rolls on 20 by 4-inch fat tires, designed for stability, traction, and vibration dampening across mixed surfaces. Up front, a suspension fork with approximately 80mm of travel helps absorb surface imperfections and reduce rider fatigue. The bike includes a backlit LCD display showing speed, battery level, assist mode, and trip data, and supports a top assisted speed of up to 28 miles per hour, depending on configuration. Together, these specifications define an e-bike focused on balanced performance, efficiency, and real-world versatility. Alright, now for the pros and cons, starting with the pros. First pro is buttery smooth brakes with excellent modulation. The bike has a lightweight frame that feels agile and manageable. The bike has stable, predictable handling. The bike has smooth, natural motor assist. With this bike, you get a comfortable riding position. The bike gives you efficient battery usage for longer rides, and it has easy-to-use controls. Alright, now for the cons. Motor tuning favors smoothness over aggressive acceleration. Range varies depending on assist level and elevation. Suspension may feel firm for riders seeking a plush ride. In closing, the Kingbull Literider 2.0 delivers a refined, confidence-driven electric bike experience focused on balance, efficiency, and long-term comfort. Its smooth motor support, exceptional braking feel, and thoughtful design choices make it a strong option for riders seeking reliability over raw power. With more strengths than weaknesses, the Literider 2.0 stands as a well-rounded e-bike designed to support relaxed, enjoyable riding across a wide range of everyday conditions. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Jeremy Vinny. Thanks for riding with me. Drop your questions in the comments. Subscribe if you want more mountain miles, more mixed surface testing, and more ways to ride through the quiet season ahead. See you on the next ridge.